Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. In case you haven't noticed, in a new background environment, whatever. So yeah, I'm on a staycation, just a mini staycation, one day actually. Staycation. I'm solo, yeah, but yeah, just want to chill and enjoy this place. This place is cute. I'm going to show you how it looks. So yeah, so enjoy this mini staycation with me. I'm planning to go and have like a coffee date later on, but for now I'm just chilling. And yeah, I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I turn. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid. So guys, this is the tour of the B&B. It's a one bedroom B&B. Actually it's my friend's, so I went to review it for a day and it's so cute. So I'm just gonna let the video run because I rushed it up and I can't do a voiceover through the entire tour, so enjoy.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one at a time. Today make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me.
Guys, I want to prepare. I want to go for a coffee date, but guys, I'm having a headache. Like, I don't know how this date is gonna go. I don't even know if I'm going, you know. I'm having a terrible headache, and there I've been dancing. Yo, let me prepare and see if I'm going. Yeah, but so far, I'm enjoying myself.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold.
So guys, this is my night routine. When I did this video, I wanted to do a voiceover, but now it keeps raining every time and I really need to upload this video. So this is my night routine, skin routine, and disclaimer, I don't do this every night. I just do it when I feel motivated. So I'm just gonna let it run and add text where applicable. So yeah, enjoy. So it stopped raining and I decided to do a voiceover since it's easier. This is a banana mask that I'm using, a banana peel, drop of honey and oil of your choice. Yeah, so I'm going to apply it all over my face and let it sit for like 30 minutes. So this is a DIY lip scrub that I saw on YouTube. It's sugar, honey and oil, almond oil if you have, or you can just use any oil that you have. So from the shower, I want to moisturize. So let's start with the serum. Then I go in with glycerin. I love to apply glycerin on my face and even my body, but at night because it can be sensitive to the sun when you apply it during the day. So at night for extra moisture. And now I want to oil my body. Obviously I'm using a lotion and I'm mixing it with glycerin. Perfect combo. I had to put on a hoodie because it was raining and very, very cold. Then I go in with oil on my cuticles to keep my nails moist and avoid breakage. process is my nails. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I did this myself. Okay, last but not the least, I go in with the same oil on my scalp, on my cornrows. Keep them neat and keep my scalp moist. So yeah, that was the routine, and I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm gonna end it here and by saying thank you very much for everyone who has subscribed to this channel. Continue to support me by liking, commenting and sharing, and see you on the next one.